Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to HMS Tech Tip. In this video, I'll show you how to change default storage location in Windows 10. Before we start, please subscribe the channel and give a like to the video. So let's start the video. To change the default storage location in your Windows 10, you have to go to the settings. Okay, I'm going to settings. Okay, then go to system. In the left side you can see storage. Click here and go down, and here you can see change where new content is saved. Click on it, and here you will find all the options. So here you can see all the new apps will save to local disk C. It means when you will install any apps, it will save to your local disk, or it will save to your C drive, and new documents will save to C, new music will save to C, and everything in default are set in the C drive. So I want to change them. Okay, click here. I have 4 drive in my Windows, and for this why they are showing here. If you have more drive in your Windows, then they will also show here. Okay, let's say I want to make it for D drive. Okay, then click apply, and we have done. Let's say new document will save to. We also want to change it. Click the arrow button and make it D, and click apply. And this is the way you can change any of them. So this is our today's video, that how to change the default storage location in Windows 10. So if the video helps you, please don't forget to give a like and do comment something, and please subscribe the channel and stay with us. Thank you.